Hi everybody, I hope you're doing fine today. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, my name is Mariam. And today I would like to share with you this amazing fruit centerpiece. If you like it, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started.
I used medium to large watermelon, grapes, strawberry, blueberry, kiwi, cantaloupe, wooden toothpicks, and barbecue sticks. Peel the watermelon and cut it into 3 slices, the same width as much as possible. Cut the edges to make 3 cylinders as shown. Peel the cantaloupe, remove the seeds, and slice it. Remove the strawberry leaves and cut each into 2 halves. Peel the kiwi and slice it. Now decorate the plate with the cantaloupe slices. Hold the watermelon pieces together with barbecue sticks. Hang the grapes on the watermelon setup and hold them in between the barbecue sticks. Now, hold the strawberries on the wooden barbecue sticks. Decorate the middle level with the kiwi slices. Finally, hold the blueberries with the toothpicks as shown. I hope you like the final setup. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time!